Best deals. Roti maker. Product link is given in the description. Made with stainless steel housing, so you do not need to worry about the rusting. The Libra Chapati Maker Electric Automatic has non-stick coated heating plates with an 8.5 inches diameter, which makes the process of roti and chapati making very easy. Has double indicator lamps. One indicator lamp indicates the power supply, whereas the other indicator lamp is for the thermostatic control, which goes on, off as soon as the temperature is achieved. Chapati Maker Electric Automatic saves electricity as well, besides maintaining temperature. Has Bakelite handles and housing which are strong and sturdy for long life operation. Chapati Maker Electric Automatic is also safe to use because of heat-resistant Bakelite handles. Comes with a revolutionary anti-fall plate design for the first time in India, which enables to prepare liquid dough items like omelette, dosa, chilla, and also roti. Can not only be used to make roti, chapati, but also can be used to make parathas, dosa, and even paneer tikkas. The Chapati Maker Electric Automatic is a versatile product and is very handy in every kitchen. Makes fluffy rotis. To do so, we need softer dough than normal dough. The proportion should be 1 cup of water with 2 cups of dough. The results are better with maida and packed atta. For other atta, please sieve the atta and then use for best results. Despite all, if you are unable to prepare the chapati in the Chapati Maker Electric Automatic, please do not hesitate to call the helpline. They shall assist you with the process. Ensures perfect, soft rotis in just minutes with minimal effort. Simply roll out your dough, place it on the heated plate, and let the machine do the rest. It guarantees even cooking and eliminates the hassle of manually flipping rotis on a traditional griddle. Equipped with advanced heating elements, this roti maker provides uniform heat distribution for quick and consistent cooking. The non-stick surface prevents your rotis from sticking, ensuring smooth and easy removal without the need for extra oil or ghee. With a sleek and compact design, the roti maker is perfect for modern kitchens with limited counter space. Its elegant and ergonomic build allows for easy storage, while its stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen. Roti maker is designed for convenience. With its simple one-touch operation, even beginners can use it with ease. Its non-stick cooking surface makes cleaning up quick and hassle-free, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time on cleanup. Built with high-quality materials, the roti maker is designed for long-lasting durability. It comes with safety features such as an insulated handle and overheat protection, ensuring a safe and reliable cooking experience every time. Whether you are cooking for one or the whole family, the roti maker helps you save time without compromising on taste. It's the perfect appliance for those with busy schedules, making homemade rotis in a fraction of the time it takes using traditional methods. This roti maker is designed to save both time and energy. Its quick heating technology ensures that it reaches the optimal cooking temperature in just a few moments, reducing energy consumption and allowing you to prepare multiple rotis in a fraction of the time it would take on a stove. Roti maker is designed to deliver consistent results with every use. Whether you are making thin, soft rotis or slightly thicker parathas, the precise temperature control and even heat distribution ensure that your rotis cook perfectly every time. With no undercooking or overcooking, quick and easy rotis are perfect for any meal. Simply combine whole wheat flour, water, and a pinch of salt to form a dough. Roll into thin circles and cook on a hot skillet until golden. Serve with vegetables, lentils, or curries for a delicious accompaniment. Roti maker is more than just a roti maker, it's a versatile kitchen appliance. Beyond making rotis, it can cook parathas, dosa, and even pancakes, offering uniform heating for a variety of dishes. Its easy clean non-stick surface ensures hassle-free maintenance. Roti maker features uniform heating for perfectly cooked rotis every time. Its non-stick surface allows for easy food release and quick cleanup, making cooking hassle-free. Enjoy consistent results and convenience with this efficient kitchen appliance, perfect for everyday use. Roti maker with a stainless steel body and non-stick coating combines durability with easy cooking. The stainless steel enhances longevity, while the non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, making it an ideal choice for perfect rotis. Roti maker with a non-stick coating. Opt for food-grade materials free from harmful chemicals like. Ensure the non-stick surface is durable and promotes even heat distribution for perfectly cooked rotis. Easy cleaning features and positive customer reviews can further enhance safety and usability.